Let us see the next question. The proportion and the required return on debt and equity was recorded for a company with its increased financial leverage. Financial leverage means increase in the debt financing in the capital structure. If there is no debt financing, 20%, 40%, 60%, 80%, different level of the debt financing is given. Cost of debt financing is given. Of course, the remaining is the equity proportion. 0 plus 100 is 100, 20, 80 is 100, 40, 60 is 100 and so on. Cost of equity is given and weighted average cost of capital or overall cost of capital. When there is no debt financing, K itself is the weighted average cost of capital. You are required to complete the table and identify which capital structure is most beneficial for this company. Based on traditional theory, that is capital structure is relevant. I want you to complete the answer on your own and put your answer in the chat box. That which one is optimum capital structure. So write down heading calculation of weighted average cost of capital. So column number 1 is the debt financing proportion. Column number 2 is equity financing. In that say 0 and 1. Cost of debt and cost of equity. Cost of debt is like 5% and cost of equity is 15%. Last is weighted average cost of capital. It is 0 into 5 plus 1 into 15. So weighted average cost of capital is 15. Next, 0.20, 0.80. This is 6 and so this is 16. Okay, that is given to us in the question only. So weighted average cost of capital is going to be 0.20 into 6 plus 0.80 into 16. So use your calculator. 0.2 into 6 and 0.8 into 16. That comes to 14%. Next, 0.4 and 0.6. For debt financing, the cost is 7 and for equity it is 18. So 0.4 into 7 plus 0.6 into 18. So 7 into 0.4, that is 2.8, and 0.6 into 18, 10.8. So overall it is 13.6. So you can see that say initially with the introduction of the debt financing, the weighted average cost of capital is falling down. Next is 60% and this is 40%. For this 60% the cost is 10 and for this 40% the cost is 23. Okay, for this 60% the cost is 10 and for this 40% the cost is 23. So 0.6 into 10, that is 6. 0.4 into 23 is 9.2. So 23 into 0.4 is 9.2 plus 6, that is 15.2. Then it is 0.8 and 0.2. The cost is 20 and 35. Sorry, 15 and 35. You can again see that say with the increase in the proportion of the debt financing, gradually the cost of capital also increases. Not only the equity cost increases, but even the cost of debt financing increases. And you can see that say over here 20% increase in the debt cost of equity increases only by 1%. Now this time 20% increase in the debt, cost of equity increases by 12%. This is also increasing just by 1%. This increases by 5%. So you go on introducing more and more leverage, then in that case the risk will increase substantially. This is the way we have to understand. So 0.8 into 15 plus 0.2 into 35. So 0.8 into 15, 0.2 into 35. Weighted average is 19. So we can see that the weighted average cost of capital increases gradually. So we should stop raising the debt financing beyond this. The optimal capital structure is 40% debt and 60% equity. Beyond that, so we should not raise debt financing. So return answer. The company is advised to raise debt financing till 40%. Full stop. So optimum debt financing is 40% debt.